Are you looking for the best chucking reamers in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best chucking reamers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the NOVINO 5 PCS M2 H.S.S taper chucking reamer set. The NOVINO taper reamer set includes 5 essential sizes, ranging from 3/8 inches to 1, designed specifically for aligning and enlarging pre-drilled holes. This set makes the task of reaming much simpler than using larger drill bits, resulting in smooth holes without tear-outs. Its tapered point design allows you to effectively align overlapping holes, ensuring that bolts fit perfectly, ideal for various applications, including bridge construction and automotive work. This set is perfect for anyone needing to prepare holes for bolt or rivet installation. Up next in the 4th place is the Accusize 14 PC H.S.S reamer set. The Accusize H.S.S reamer set features 14 high-speed steel chucking reamers, expertly designed for precise over and under sizing from 0.124 inches to 0.5010. Each reamer includes decimal equivalents, making it easy for you to select the right size for your machining tasks. With flute lengths ranging from 7/8 inches to 2 inches and overall lengths from 3/112 to 8, this set provides versatility for various applications. Plus, it comes in a fitted case, ensuring your tools are organized and easily accessible, which boosts your workshop efficiency. The 3rd product on our list is the chucking reamer set for lathe machines. This chucking reamer set includes 9 pieces of high-speed steel tools, with sizes ranging from 2 mm to 10 and H8 tolerance. The straight flute design allows for easy collection of chips and can make shallow cuts in most applications. The reamers are designed to cut and remove thin layers of metal on whole surfaces to improve precision and reduce surface roughness, making them suitable for use in stainless steel, aluminum, copper, alloy, and plastic. These reamers are ideal for use on lathes, drill presses, and screw machines. 2nd on our list is the chucking reamer set for bore machining. The Accusize chucking reamer set includes 4 hand reamers with cutting diameters of 1/8, 3/16, 1/4, and 5/16, respectively. The H.S.S accuracy class and straight round shank provide a stable holding, making it compatible with a variety of tool holding systems. The reamers are made of high-speed steel that provides wear resistance and strong heat resistance, suitable for a wide range of applications, including reaming in aluminum, cast iron, copper, plastic, wood, alloy, and other soft materials. Straight flute design allows chips to collect in the flutes, making it well suited for most applications in shallow cuts. Can be used on screw machines, turret lathes, drilling, and milling machines. Always keep the reamers clean and use them with machine oil for long service use. Finally, the top product on our list is the Rocaris M2 H.S.S taper reamer set. The Rocaris taper reamer set is designed with automotive professionals in mind. It features multiple sizes, ensuring you have the right tool for various tasks, from minor adjustments to major repairs. Made from durable M2 high-speed steel, these reamers maintain their sharpness and resist wear, making them ideal for heavy-duty metalworking. The 5 grooves along each reamer enhance chip removal, reducing the risk of clogging and improving overall drilling efficiency. Tailored for automotive applications, these reamers excel in enlarging holes and aligning components, providing the reliability you need for your vehicle repairs. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.